I'm Mike, and this channel is a video diary of my personal trading challenge. I will navigate through the rough waters of options trading in order to reach from $10,000 in cash this year, January 2021, to $80,000 in cash in 3 years. How am I going to do that? You will find that out in my future videos. For now, let's get into the trades. In my first trading challenge week, I had 7 trades. 4 trades on the 23rd of January and 3 trades on the 25th of January. My first trade was Twitter. I sold 3 contracts for $46 at 46 strike price. As you can see on the graph here, this is my strike price, and on the 25th, when Twitter was trading around $48, I sold those contracts. I closed them for $10 per contract, resulting in $104 in profit. My next trade, Dropbox, I sold 5 contracts for $28. As you can see on the graph, my strike price of $21.50 is a support level for Dropbox. It did not go below this level for almost 1.5 months. I closed this trade for $6 per contract, resulting in $104 profit. My third trade, American Airlines, I sold 5 contracts for $26, and my strike price on American Airlines was $15. Again, $15 is a support level for American Airlines. It did not break below this level except these 2 days. I closed this trade for $4 per contract, resulting in again $104 in profit. The fourth trade of the week was on RKT. I sold 5 contracts for $27 at strike price 19.5. As you can see on RKT, 19.5, again, it's a level of support. I think you get the pattern until now. Rocket, due to short squeezes in the market in the previous week, went all the way up to $25, and I managed to close the contracts for $4 in $111 profit. Next trade was DraftKings. I sold 2 contracts for $47 at 50 strike price. This level on DraftKings is a level I am comfortable with. I believe in this company and I think it will trade on the upper side. I managed to close the trade for $10 per contract, resulting in $72 in profit. A more riskier trade I took on AMD. I sold 1 contract for $160 at strike price 90. I made this trade before earnings. AMD had earnings on the 26th, and as you can see, despite beating earnings, both EPS and sales, AMD dropped all the way to $86-85. I managed to roll this contract for next week. Rolling the contract meant I kept all the money I sold it for, $160, and after commissions, I have a profit of $158. My last trade and the shortest one was on Uber. I opened it on the 25th and closed it the same day. 3 hours later, I sold 3 contracts for $37 per contract. Uber dropped on this day, on the 25th, as you can see. It dropped all the way from $54 to $49. I managed to sell the contracts when it was trading around $50, and then it went all the way back to $54. This way, the price of the contracts dropped fast, and after capturing more than 50% of the profits, I decided to close the trade. I got $72 in profits on this trade. The total profit for the first week was $728 after all commissions were paid. Going into next week, I had 6 trades with expiration dates on the 5th of February. The first one is a trade on AMD. After earnings report, I sold 1 contract at $86 strike price for $143. Also, again, I sold DraftKings with strike price $51 with a premium received of $87. Uber, I sold 2 contracts at $47 strike price and received $86 per contract. On Dropbox, after it shot up, I sold 3 contracts at strike price 22 for $36 per contract.
I also sold GM, General Motors, after a volatility increase in options prices. As you can see on the graph, GM had a pop from $49 to $52. On this day, the volatility increased dramatically on GM because they had some news related to the EV market and new models entering this space. Due to this volatility increase, I sold these contracts, 2 contracts for $70 per contract. The last trade was the AMD roll from previous week. Because AMD was trading below my strike price of $90, I had to roll it for 1 more week. I kept the strike price at $90 and received an additional $125. We will see at the end of next week how these trades went.
I hope you enjoyed my first video. If you did, please hit the like button. It will help me a lot because this is a new channel and every like button helps. If you want to see my journey, I'm posting my weekly recap each Monday. If you want to get notified every time I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell. See you next time.